know if that's messing with people. Okay. Spamming the button. Go everywhere. I can see my foot. You can see my foot. Let's see. Nothing's happening. Clara mentioned that you usually can't watch due to the bitrate. About my stream or other streams? It kind of makes me wonder what Tangent has hit his bitrate at, because his stream looks really good, and if I turn mine down from the 3500, it looks like crap on mine. But I know Chloro can watch Tangent, so I don't know why people have a hard time with mine. So I just need to wait for them to do something. Oh. I just figured Chloro doesn't come around because he doesn't like me anymore. Yeah. I wonder what Tangents is, but I won't ask. About an hour and a half. According to OBS anyway, it's been on for an hour and 36 minutes. Nothing. I got nothing going on. Other than a whole lot of fighting. Oh, I need to heal Cloud. Okay. Go ahead and potion yourself, Cloud, potion yourself. There, attack. Gonna be like level 20 by the time I figure this out. Get there? No. So you go down? Down where? So I have to go back down the area that I was originally looking at stuff after planting the bomb. Wait, I have to plant the bomb? Where's my bomb? Where do I plant it? How do I plant it? I really do feel like I have gotten dumber with age, because I did not have these problems playing this when I was younger. Okay. Oh, God. Yeah, I don't... Okay, so you say I go down after planting the bomb. But I can't plant a bomb. I pushed the buttons to try to do stuff and nothing happened. Yes, I am sorry. What am I sorry for this time? What did I do? Oh, wait, is it my being stupid? Is that what I did? Is that what I did? My being stupid? I apologize for my stupidity. So I was right. I was right where I was supposed to go. But you told me I had to come back up here. I'm gonna have to make a go to bed command. Let's see. Who has commands? Chloro has the command, Fox has the command. I don't know if I gave River a command. I gave her a whole bunch of commands in her chat though. Man, she has a lot of commands because of me. That's what she gets for making me a mod and giving me access to stuff. Okay. Don't worry, it's JRPG. So just call a bit of really grinding. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna be level 20 before I get out of here. I'm gonna be like way too high of a level for stuff, so everything's just gonna be like one hit KO, and then suddenly I'll have a hard time on everything. That's what's going on for me right now in Pokemon. I have two Pokemon that are like way higher levels than everything else. So even when they're the wrong thing to attack stuff with, I'm still like killing stuff like crazy. Where do I plant the bomb? I want to plant the bomb. Tifa, you really need to hit harder. Use them big old shoes to knock people out. Go through the door that I came through. Nice job, Cloud. Nice job, Barrett. He's like, we ain't got time for this. There we go. That's what I missed. That. Oh, yeah. I missed the ladder. I did want to go through that door. I was saying I was supposed to go through that door before. Why didn't I listen to myself? Go through the door. It's the same exact layout as the last place. Save it. Save it. Oh boy. Save Cloud. Hey. Hey. Stop it. Oh. What are you doing? Stop it. Why did I do it on the one that was already hit? That was stupid. That was stupid. Delphi, stop being stupid. Nice job, Cloud. Okay. Papa. Sephiroth? Did Sephiroth do this to you? Sephiroth's soldier, micro-reactors, Shinra. I hate them all. Hey Scarlet, you should do Cowboy Tifa, or Cowgirl Tifa. She's a cowgirl, not a cowboy. Damn man, get a hold of yourself. Yeah, Scarlet, do Cowgirl Tifa. You alright? Tifa. Hmm? No, forget. Come on, let's hurry. What are you laughing at? Why? Do regular Tifa. Carry a bar with you. Oh, you can still carry a bar with you as Cowgirl Tifa. You get an awesome cowgirl hat. And a vest. Well, if you want to be regular Tifa, maybe we can get River to be Cowgirl Tifa. And then I'll be Advent Children Tifa. The me, Star, and I don't know if you know Star, Scarlet. She hasn't been around in a while. But me, Star, and River, we were talking about going to a convention together, and we picked out outfits to wear together. And we had some sexy outfits. Now they can pull theirs off. I can't pull mine off, unfortunately. But one day, maybe, I'll be able to wear it. But we all got us some awesome outfits to wear one day together. You need to lose your small beer punch first. You remember Starly? Yeah, she was gonna be, I don't know if you'll know the characters or not. I'm the one that picked them out. Star was gonna be Dawn. If you know Dawn. River was gonna be Tomoe. And I was gonna be She. She lives an hour and a half away from you. I have her address. And it's like one day when I have money, I just show up at her house. But I made her some brownies. And I sent those to her. And then I got a mug, and it was from a bunch of us. It was her birthday present. But it was from a bunch of us. But it was like totally her. Totally her. The mug said something like, "What do we want? Coffee. When do we want it? I'll fucking cut you." Or something like that. Is that from Final? No, and none of it is from Final Fantasy. If you're talking about the cosplay outfits. Jesse said we all have to push the button at once.